Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete sent email in Yahoo Mail on computer. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, we need to access our Yahoo Mail account. Begin by heading to the Yahoo login page and sign into your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll see the main interface of Yahoo Mail. On the left-hand side, look for the Sent folder. This is the section that stores all of the emails you've sent from your account. Click on it to open. Once inside, scroll through the list of sent emails and locate the ones you want to delete. You'll notice checkboxes next to each message. If you only want to remove a single email, click its checkbox, but if you want to delete multiple, simply check each one. With your unwanted emails selected, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the page. Here you'll see several icons, including the Delete icon. Go ahead and click on it. At this point, Yahoo might ask you to confirm your action with a small prompt. If you see a confirmation box, just click OK to proceed. Yahoo Mail will then remove the selected messages from your sent folder and move them to the trash. And that's it. So that's how you can delete sent email in Yahoo Mail on computer. So that's all for this video. Thanks.